In this lesson, we will learn to update the existing Rust compiler version. You may be using an old version of Rust and now it's time to upgrade to an updated version. One of the nice features of Rust is that it has made this very easy. As you can read in the documentation, you can update the Rust version with rustup update command. Yes, as you can see, the update process finished successfully. By the way, as you will notice, Rust has also updated the local documentation. By typing rustup show, you can check both the installed toolchains and the version of the Rust compiler.